Hi guys, so I went to Walmart to pick up my heated throw. So I was eyeing this the other day and I didn't get it that day and I needed it. I was cold all day. I didn't warm up till after I came back from the store, but I'm getting chilly again. But I don't know what I was doing, but I was just thinking, they have heated blankets. They should have heated throws. And so I did a search, and of course, Walmart had some. Amazon did too. But I did a Walmart pickup for this, and I really wanted, they have it in buffalo check, in the red, and in the black, but I went ahead and just got the beige here. So this was like $26, $27. It has a 3-hour auto shut off. It's easy to wash and care, and a 3 heat setting. So I'm getting ready to pop this baby open. And Pretty Mickey, I will put her Instagram name below. I want to say 36, but I don't want to be wrong. Michelle, she is so sweet, and she sometimes I'll message her or she'll message me if I made the comment about I wanted to go to Bath and Body Works for their $2.75 little trials and lip glosses and hand sanitizers, but it was just so cold outside I didn't feel like going. So anyway, y'all, I made a comment in my Insta story about it, and she purchased these for gifts, and I thought that was such a great idea. Really simple, but a great idea. So I may do that. And I was thinking, dog, I should have went to the candle sale because I think I have a couple more candles. That's why I didn't go. But then you know how after you don't go, you wish you went. So yeah, y'all. So you can throw, if you did go to the candle sale, get a heated blanket or a heated throw. I think the throws are cute. With your little candle, buy some slippers. I know Aldi's going to have some tomorrow, this week. And then, let's see, a robe. I mean, you can gift this up, y'all, any kind of way. You can get some lotion if you've been couponing. You get some body wash and some deodorant and some lotion from Bath and Body Works, or just some really nice lotion, y'all, and just pair that up with your heated throw. That would be so neat together, or all those little things that you've been picking up from Bath and Body Works. Anyway, y'all. Okay, so I got these I don't know what they're called, PEVA tablecloths. I know for years I used to get these, and then I just went to cloth. But doing little crafts on the table, and Josiah loves to leave water on my table sitting sometimes. And I actually got the gingerbread one, but it's so busy, y'all. I said, let me go back and get these. They were only $3 and something. I was hoping they still had them. So I got 2 of those. And the reason why I got 2, because I have 2 of my tables put together. Because if you remember, when I got the table, one was damaged. And so I just took the leaf out, and the leaves are in the garage. And this is the old table. This is the new table. And yeah. So normally I don't get these tablecloths because of the look of them. And then when you spray them with chemicals, the color comes off. And then you store it and you don't fold it correctly, the wrinkles don't come out, and then they get that white crease and all that. But I thought I would try it this year, y'all. But they did have the cloth in this color. Then I picked up a 12-month calendar. I really wanted to do, so I do well at the beginning. Then I fall off, and then I get better. I want to be consistent with my planner. And so I picked this one up because I did not order one in October before they got sold out on the Happy Planner website. And I just don't feel like going to Michael's. And the ones that I've seen in Michael's are not the ones I want. So this is perfect because this is the dashboard layout. Let's see if I can show you guys because I didn't open it. And this is good if you have like a business, or you're just a mom and you're not going to, or if you're busy working. And my mom likes this layout and you don't have time to fill out all those different boxes and decorate and stuff, and just make a list of what you have to do. But these are good, like if you have like a business or something too, you can cover up these headers with boxes. And I was watching Organize Money, and she had, usually that's what I use the planner for, but I'm not consistent with it. So I like the way she set hers up as far as her business. So when I saw that this one was the dashboard layout, that's what it looks like, I picked it up. So it was $22 at Walmart. I think all Walmarts have them. Then I got Jason some slippers. He has some. Sorry if you hear Saya. He has some, but you know how some slippers have that raised back and you just want to slide your feet in. So they're not the most comfiest of slippers, but he can slide his feet in. And I saw that they had really big size. So I was like, let me go ahead and get these, because I just want everybody to have slippers and lounge clothes and robes, everything they need to be comfortable in the house. So he already has some, but he's not gonna keep them on his feet. He likes to walk barefooted like me, unless his feet get cold. So I went ahead and just picked these up. He probably, for this price, he probably needs another pair. But anyway, then I got him and myself some family PJs, and I was walking to the checkout and I looked to the right, and you can tell people were going through them. They had like all different sizes for all the families, but it looked like all of the small sizes, like the babies, the kids, and the other small sizes were gone. But it is so hard to find big men and plus size women pajamas, because I looked on Old Navy, the Children's Place. It's hard to find them. So, and I didn't want to pay an arm and a leg for them, so I was like, well, maybe not this year. But these was only $12, and it was perfect because Jason, the pants are probably going to be too big, but the shirt, Jason wears like a 3X to 2X. It depends. He goes up and down. And then I got one for myself, and I probably got it one size too big, but it's okay. It's in the house. I did see an 18-20 that they had, but I went ahead and got the 22-24, just so I can have enough space. I don't want it to be tight. So I thought that'd be cute. I did get Josiah some pajamas from Aldi, but if I can find some matching like this, I will get him some, and I will get Catrell and JJ some as well. So I was really looking for a medium for JJ because I knew Josiah needed some. Trell did mention, but Trell got his own money, but he may not see it. So when I'm in there, so I may go ahead and pick it up. That's all I picked up today, y'all. I'm gonna go to Aldi and I'll share with you guys in another video, probably along with a vacuum that I am enjoying that they sent to me for free. It's a robot, and I'll put that together with that Aldi video that you can see tomorrow, because it's some things I want to buy for the week. All right, y'all. Bye. Hi, hopefuls. Thanks so much for coming back to the channel. I probably will insert this video along with another video, but say hey, Saya. We are watching The Grinch while I do my nails and do some planning, and then whatever else. Oh, I think we're going to do Coco tonight. So a company reached out to me called Madam Glam, and they wasn't sure if they was able to send me the nail polishes, the gel nail polishes, and the little UV lamp in my P.O. box. So I was really surprised when I checked my P.O. box and it was there, because I wasn't sure if they were going to still send it or not. But anyway, I'm going to just sit and chillax and paint my nails and show you guys the kit. I'm gonna turn the camera around and everything. So I don't talk about a whole lot of different videos or people who reach out to me. I don't accept everything, but if it's something that I use or something that I know that I will like or you guys will like, then I will share it with you all. So someone did ask me when I did my prepper workbook about how I paint my nails. I don't do nothing different, nothing special. Y'all look terrible because I just came back from Walmart and I had a hat on and everything. I didn't want to go out and get my little electric blanket and everything. But anyway, y'all, let me show you what came in this kit. And it's all its different features and stuff like that. So I received these 2 boxes here, and then in this first little tiny box, you get this little mini UV LED lamp. And I was like, good gracious, this is really small, but it's great for travel, perfect for travel. And you just pop these open here. And then you have your little cord, it comes in the box. You do have to get like a little cord to put on the end of this, or if you have one of those chargers where you can just stick it in. Yeah, like if you have like a little adapter like this, or if you just have the little port. So then you have some directions in here. I'll put all the information down below. And then you have your gel nails over here. So I love the colors that they gave me. I think I'm going to use this one. You get a top coat and a base coat. I love the packaging. It protects the bottles, y'all. Of course, because they can break. And so I got this one. This one is, who is she? This would be cute for Christmas. I might put that one on. I don't know. And then this one here, it's called Kansas Sky. And the Madam Glam, they are vegan, cruelty-free, non-free formula. I'm not sure what that means. I have to look that up. And HEMA-free. So I have to look that up too, y'all. So I'm gonna try these. These are good full-size bottles. This one is called Little Toto. And then this one is a top coat and a base coat. So I can't wait to try it.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or...
Okay, guys, so they are all finished. I need to put some lotion on my hands. I did put some of this oil, but make sure that you use really thin coats because it can get into your cuticle. Well, that's probably, I'm sure, with any gel nail polish, but I like that it sparkles. I thought it was going to be a little bit darker, but I like it. I just wish that it came with some more tools. They may have them on their website that you can purchase separately. And then that it really came with instructions. I had a kit in the past, so I kind of knew that you use the base coat and then you put it up under the lamp. And then the lamp does cut off by itself. I think it was about 60 seconds. And then I did my thumb because usually I couldn't put all of it under there because of the width of the lamp. And then I did one coat, cure it again and put it under the lamp. And then another coat, cure it again, and then you do your top coat. So that's basically what you do. But I do know some lamps, they have like the timer 30, 60, 90, depending on I guess the polish that you have, but maybe for Madam Glam, you don't need that. So anyway, y'all, I will put all the information down below for these. And I can't wait to try this color and then maybe this color for the new year. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.